Now that you're keeping your RV cool with your new Longitude awning, we'll show you how to get the most out of Longitude's many exciting features. To extend your Longitude, press and hold the Out button on your patio switch until the awning is in the desired position. Then release. To retract your Longitude, press the In button on your patio switch. To prevent damage to the arms and to reduce pulling on the canopy, it is important that the roller tube is correctly positioned when the awning is extended. In the proper position, the canopy lays smoothly over the roller tube and the valance hangs downward. Using the Extend and Retract switch, adjust the roller tube position. When overextended, the yellow awning overextended indicator label is visible. The awning can become overextended if the switch is held down continuously past the desired position. Use care when adjusting the pitch of your Longitude, as the awning may move abruptly. Grasp the awning arm in the area shown and gently pull toward the vehicle to reduce pressure on both sides. Fully depress both pitch adjustment pins located on the scissor arm. There is one on each side of the arm. These must be fully pressed in at the same time. Lightly pulling the arm toward the vehicle will decrease the force required to press the pitch adjustment pins. Slide the arm to the desired set hole, towards the coach for a lower pitch and away from the coach for a higher pitch. Do not set the individual arm pitch at more than 3 positions different between the left and right arm. Damage to the arms and canopy can occur if the awning is retracted when the arms are set more than 3 positions difference. If your Longitude is less than 12 feet long, the arms must be set at an equal pitch before retracting the awning. Damage to the arms and canopy can occur if the awning is retracted with the arms uneven. If your Longitude is more than 12 feet long, the awning will have memory pitch. This means the awning will retain the last set pitch upon retraction and return to that pitch with the next extension. Not sure of your awning length? Here's a quick diagram of how to measure your awning. Factory installed LEDs are located on the roller tube or can be mounted at the awning rail. To operate the white LED lights, you must have the LED power switch on. Select OEMs may offer RGB color LEDs. These lights use a separate IR infrared remote and sensor. The top of the remote must be pointed at the infrared sensor on the LED receiver module. The remote control provides simple push-button on and off, adjustable dimming, 15 color choices plus white, and special effects like flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. Now you know what your Longitude can do. It's time to enjoy all these great benefits. To see more about fabric care and emergency overrides, please refer to your owner's manual or visit www.carefreeofcolorado.com.